If you're watching this video right now, chances are life feels incredibly tough, overwhelming, or maybe you're just on the verge of giving up. But before you quit, just listen. I have a message for you, and it might be exactly what you need to hear right now. Hey, I'm Loraleen. I coach people on living authentically aligned lives, but right now, I don't want to talk to you as a coach. I want to talk to you as someone who's gone through the same thing that you are going through right now. There was a time in my life where everything felt so tough, so heavy, and I wanted to give up on everything I worked for, and honestly, my life. But I learned something incredibly powerful during this dark time, and it shifted the way I approach life. So not too long ago, I realized my biggest dream, or what I thought was my biggest dream, of becoming a professional wrestler. But instead of fulfillment, I felt this deep emptiness, confusion, exhaustion, and honestly just this despair. It felt unfair. It felt like life and the universe were against me. It felt like it was playing some cruel joke. Like no matter how hard I worked on anything, really, it felt like there were all these walls that I had to jump through, that I had to break through, and I did. I put all of my energy into it, and I did. I broke through. And at the end of it, instead of this pot of gold, it was a pile of shit, to be honest with you. I hated it. I hated every part of it. And I couldn't understand. I kept questioning myself so many times, why? Why did I have this crazy dream? Why did I give up my whole life to chase it? And there was nothing for me at the end of it. Or instead of nothing, it was worse. It was pain. I went through pain to get to the other side of it, and there was more pain there. So in that painful moment, I finally saw the truth. I saw that life wasn't against me. It was actually redirecting me towards something better, something so much better that I couldn't even imagine at that point. You see, the thing about breakthroughs is they often disguise themselves as breakdowns. And boy, did I break down so many times. So if you're feeling defeated right now, what if this is the breakthrough moment, disguised as this horrible breakdown? What if this is the moment you've been waiting for your whole life? So if you feel like giving up right now, it is very likely that you are this close to actual clarity, to breaking through and finding that purpose, finding that fulfillment. See, moments like these, the dark times, the dark night of the soul, they usually transform us the most. So right now you are sitting on the verge of a very powerful choice. Choice number one is you can go back to your old ways. You can go back to your old life. You can do exactly what you did time and time again when things would get tough. You can go binge, you can go drink, you can go smoke, you can just destroy everything you ever built. Or you can ask yourself, what is this challenge trying to teach me? What is the universe trying to show me? What is it screaming that you would finally see? What pattern do I need to break right now to get on the other side of this challenge? Nothing in this life is random, nothing. And the universe always has your back, even when it looks like it's exactly the opposite. I remember a moment in my life so vividly where I was laying on my bedroom floor, having lost everything. Every relationship, my job, my friends, honestly, myself. And in that moment, it literally felt like I died. Like everything I ever cared about was just stripped away, just taken from me, with no warning. And that was precisely the moment where I had to lose all of the stuff that was not serving me anymore, to finally receive the things that I was dreaming about my whole life. And literally a few weeks after that moment, when I was laying on that bedroom floor, I found this teacher that changed my life completely. I found the love of my life. I realized my childhood dream, and I finally found myself again and started being happy for the first time in years. And I know that in moments like these, you don't want to hear these things, but what really helps in these moments is softness and acknowledging yourself and allowing yourself to just be in this horrible moment of your life and accept that you can't change the circumstances that are happening right now, but you can pause and acknowledge yourself for having gone through all the shit that you've gone through before. Look at all the stuff that you have lived through before. If you were able to get through that, maybe you can get through this as well. And I promise you, there will come a point where you will look back at this exact moment that you are right now, and everything will be so clear, like it was clear for me. I know why I was laying on that bedroom floor that day and felt like I died. I know why I was chasing a dream that wasn't mine for over a decade. But I only know this right now because I didn't give up back then. I picked myself up, I dusted myself off, and I kept going. Another moment, another day, another week, another year. And I didn't lose faith in the universe, and most importantly, I didn't lose faith in myself. So please, if you do anything today, acknowledge yourself for how much you have gone through and was able to get to the other side of it. Please be gentle with yourself. You really need it the most right now. And I promise you, if you take one step forward every day, whatever feels most aligned to you in that moment, you will get on the other side of it and you will finally step into the life you were meant to live. And you don't have to do this alone. I know it's very tempting to not burden others with your internal struggles, but the only way out is to actually reach out to somebody and receive some support. Nobody can do this life alone, nobody. So if you're feeling lost and uncertain right now, I am offering you that support. I offer a free clarity and alignment one-on-one coaching session. And I am not trying to sell you anything. I'm just offering genuine support. So if this sounds like something you would benefit from, click the link in the description to apply. Sometimes all it takes is one supportive conversation to change the course of your life. You're seeing this exactly when you need it most. Don't give up yet. Usually the best moments in your life are just further away from the biggest struggles. You've got this, and I'm right here with you. So just take the next step and let's find out what is waiting for you on the other side of that struggle.